if you have a dead tree in your yard, here's an idea. Cut it off about this height. Find yourself a bowl that's kind of flowery. You can turn it into a bird bath that looks like a flower. We are going to get it to stay with hot glue. Now it cools fairly quickly, so you've got to be a little bit quick with this. Goes on just like that.